manufacturing in downtown Hartford. That's it's a new technology with a little bit of a throwback aspect. Downtown manufacturing hasn't been in anywhere in the U.S. in a long time. Talk about kind of the philosophy behind that. How is it going to work, or how does it work? Why does it work? Maybe is the better question.
Well, so as we know, the pandemic has ushered in some major hardships, but it has also ushered in some major opportunity. And so you never, just as you would not squander a recession, we chose not to squander the opportunities that COVID-19 brought along with it. We do have double-digit unemployment numbers in Connecticut, like most other states, most of which came as a result of people losing their jobs because of the pandemic. Connecticut does have, again, a very, very rich aviation history, and also a very good labor-intensive pool. With the right mix of support, whether it be political will, whether it be support from other stakeholders, whether it be at a municipal level or the state level, we can foster a very, very strong workforce development initiative that would support any kind of manufacturing effort. And as you know, we're in the business of building drones. Hartford, being that I'm familiar with Hartford, I'm pretty much from here. I could not have found a better place to start the business, to bring everything that I've learned over the years in aviation to Hartford, and to be part of a movement interested in revitalizing Hartford. Insurance had its heyday, of course, in Connecticut, but this represents a new day in the viability of Connecticut's economy.